Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Keychron Q5 Max, a 96% layout, full metal custom wireless mechanical keyboard that's been generating a lot of buzz. This keyboard is fully assembled and boasts some impressive features, including a 2.4 GHz wireless connection with a 1000 Hz polling rate, a full metal machine body, a double gasket design, and QMK VIA support. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are strong. The Q5 Max feels incredibly solid, thanks to its full metal construction. The weight gives it a premium feel, and the carbon black finish looks sleek and professional. The 96% layout is a great compromise, offering almost all the functionality of a full-size keyboard while saving desk space. The inclusion of a knob is a welcome addition, providing convenient control for volume or other customizable functions. The typing experience is where the Q5 Max truly shines. The double gasket design provides a noticeable amount of flex and cushioning, making for a comfortable and enjoyable typing experience, even during long sessions. The pre-installed Keychron banana switches offer a tactile bump and a satisfying sound without being too loud or distracting. Of course, being a custom keyboard, you can easily swap out the switches to your preferred type. One of the standout features of the Q5 Max is its wireless connectivity. The 2.4 GHz connection offers a stable and responsive experience, virtually indistinguishable from a wire connection. The 1000 Hz polling rate ensures that every keystroke is registered instantly, which is crucial for gaming and fast-paced typing. Bluetooth connectivity is also available for connecting to multiple devices, such as smartphones and tablets. The Q5 Max is also highly customizable, thanks to its QMK and VIA support. This allows you to remap any key, create custom macros, and adjust the RGB backlighting to your liking. The software is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to personalize your keyboard to your specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned keyboard enthusiast or a beginner, you'll appreciate the level of control and customization that QMK VIA provides. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and even, with a wide range of colors and effects to choose from. You can customize the lighting to match your setup or create unique patterns to add some flair to your desk. The keycaps are made of high-quality material and have a comfortable texture. The Keychron Q5 Max is compatible with both macOS and Windows, and it comes with the appropriate keycaps for each operating system. Switching between operating systems is seamless, and the keyboard works flawlessly on both platforms. Overall, the Keychron Q5 Max is an excellent wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a premium typing experience, extensive customization options, and a sleek design. While maybe a bit pricey, the quality and features justify the cost. If you're looking for a high-end keyboard that can be tailored to your specific needs, the Q5 Max is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.